Good evening, ma'am. Before we start, I want to introduce our topic is law enforcement and criminal justice system. And before we proceed, I want to introduce myself. I I am Michael Nathan Esposo Ali, and my course is BS Criminal B1 Charlie. I want to say that roundtable discussion helped me to develop to become a professional in the future in my chosen field. And I'll rate myself as a member in a scale of 5 as a best reporter or performer for me, and the factor that I contribute to my growth is that I tackle the importance of the law enforcement and said the main goal and the responsibility of the law enforcement and the common problem of the law enforcement. And I want to say that my I helped my group to get a good score, and that helped me to attain the score. And thank you. That's all.